What is Fiverr and Upwork? Fiverr and Upwork are popular online platforms that connect freelancers with clients seeking services across various industries. Here's a brief overview of each. Fiverr. Overview. Fiverr is a freelance marketplace where freelancers, known as sellers, offer services starting at $5, hence the name. It is primarily known for quick, project-based work, although prices can vary depending on the complexity and the freelancer's experience. How it works. Freelancers create gigs that describe the services they offer, such as graphic design, writing, video editing, or programming. Clients, known as buyers, browse these gigs and hire freelancers directly. Key features. Fixed pricing for services, with different pricing tiers. Wide variety of creative and professional services. Ideal for short-term or one-off projects. Upwork. Overview. Upwork is a more comprehensive freelancing platform that allows clients and freelancers to collaborate on projects of varying lengths and scopes, from short-term gigs to long-term contracts. It operates on a bidding system where freelancers submit proposals for client-posted jobs. How it works. Clients post job descriptions and freelancers submit proposals detailing their experience, rates, and how they can complete the project. The client selects the best candidate and begins the contract. Key features. Hourly and fixed-price contracts. Wide range of professional services, from web development to legal consulting. Ideal for long-term projects and ongoing work. Both platforms are widely used for freelancing across industries, but Fiverr is typically more project-based, while Upwork is focused on building longer-term work relationships. How to earn $3,000 per week by Fiverr. Earning $3,000 per week on Fiverr is a challenging but achievable goal with the right approach. It requires a combination of choosing high-demand skills, setting competitive pricing, optimizing your gig, and scaling your work. Here's how you can approach it. 1. Focus on high-demand, high-value skills. To reach $3,000 per week, you need to offer services that clients are willing to pay premium prices for. Some examples of high-demand, high-paying categories on Fiverr include web development and programming, custom websites, e-commerce stores, app development, graphic design, branding, logo design, UX/UI design, video editing and animation, explainer videos, motion graphics, 3D animation, copywriting and content creation, long-form articles, sales pages, SEO content. Digital marketing, SEO, social media management, PPC advertising, email marketing. 2. Offer tiered pricing. Use Fiverr's tiered pricing system, basic, standard, premium, to offer different packages. Basic. Offer an entry-level service with minimal features, price lower. Standard. Offer a more comprehensive package, priced moderately. Premium. Provide an all-inclusive package with extra value, e.g., faster delivery, extra revisions, exclusive features, priced much higher. For instance, basic package, $100. Standard package, $250. Premium package, $500 to $1,000. To hit $3,000 per week, you'll need to sell higher-tier packages or a combination of different orders to reach that target. For example, 6 premium orders at $500 would generate $3,000. 3. Optimize your gig. Ensure your Fiverr gig stands out by using strong keywords in your title and description so your gig appears in search results. Writing a clear and compelling description of what you offer, focusing on the value and results you provide. Creating a professional portfolio that showcases your best work. Investing in gig images and videos that visually appeal to clients and build trust. 4. Deliver top-notch customer service. Great reviews and high client satisfaction are key to getting repeat clients and attracting new ones. To do this, deliver high-quality work on time. Offer clear and professional communication. Be open to revisions, within reasonable limits, to ensure clients are satisfied. 5. Market your gigs outside Fiverr. Don't rely solely on Fiverr's internal traffic. Promote your gig through social media platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, or Twitter, depending on your niche. Freelance groups or forums where potential clients gather. Content marketing, e.g., writing blog posts, creating YouTube videos, that highlights your expertise and directs people to your Fiverr gig. 6. Increase efficiency and outsource. Once you start getting steady work, consider ways to streamline your workflow. Use templates or pre-built solutions for repetitive tasks to save time. Outsource some of your workload to a trusted team, e.g., virtual assistants, junior freelancers, to scale up your delivery capacity. Offer additional services or upsells. Offer additional services or upsell clients. For example, expedited delivery. Clients pay extra for faster service. Extra revisions. Consultation services. Example earnings breakdown. 6 premium orders, $500 each, $3,000. 3 premium orders, $1,000 each, $3,000. By focusing on high-value services and using these strategies to grow your Fiverr business, earning $3,000 per week can become a realistic goal. Keep refining your approach, deliver excellent work, and build strong client relationships to achieve consistent growth.